Throttle cut. Release.
Okay. That's okay, but Helen back. Like I nosed it in almost full speed at Bayside. Lost signal.
You lose signal. I thought you loved these receivers.
No, I didn't lose signal. The ESC died.
ESC? How'd the ESC die? Straight in?
It went straight in, not full throttle. But I was going too slow. I couldn't turn around.
Well, what ESC do you have in there?
It was something else. I think it's a what do they call it? Super Simple, Hobby King Super Simple now. It's like a $12 ESC.
Timer cleared.
It's got lots of power. Whoa, big thermal.
On.
I'm gonna flash you.
On.
Oh, nice. Is it on switch or what?
That's what the bind plug is.
Put it on a bind plug?
It completes the circuit because I use it pretty fast. So it's a safety. No, it completes the circuit. It's a safety. Because I had smoke to put on this too. Yeah, because it's a brushed ESC. So. It's a fun plane. Parkinsonian turn. No, I'm doing like one of those people at Bayside. I'm not Bayside, at Livermore that always goes.
Ooh. What are you talking about?
I'll say it off camera. I'm on camera right now.
That's right.
No, this thing's fun. I spent a. No, for what I do, if what I mess up. I spent a lot of time dialing this thing in. I can do lots with it.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
7?
Yeah, flies for 10.
What?
Yep.
You're gonna fly the whole time.
I have a really low KV motor and a big.
Oh, look at that! You got 2 birds in formation.
That's why I moved away.
2 birds. Yeah, those birds are doing social. Hey, social distancing, guys.
Yeah, you're too close. You're too close.
You're kidding them off. Look, one's like a lot smaller. Look at it.
Could be.
That's cute. Yeah, one's a lot smaller.
Big old vultures. Yeah, they are. Those are turkey vultures. Don't look at it up close because they're ugly.
Yeah, I know. When they're eating something, they take apart dead deer. Oh deer.
Oh dear.
Oh deer. They're just gonna chase it. They're turning. All right.
I love the Gee Bee.
Thank you. Nice. It's a Gee Bee.
Gee Bee.
It's a Gee Bee. I know you fly next to little UMX. I think it's not probably gonna fly.
They usually do touch and goes. This thing's like, if you don't land this thing just right, it bounces.
Yeah, because the gear's like really narrow.
Yeah. So if you want to learn how to fly a tail dragger, this is the best plane.
And also there's no suspension.
Nope.
Oh, yippee! Nice landing.
Boing.
So bouncing go?
It's a fun plane though, especially when there's a whole bunch of them. We used to fly them in formation all together. There'd be like literally 12 of them.
Nice landing. Well, I can't do it on touching it because it's really just bouncing.
Just bouncing.
You can't mess up with touching it, so I'll do it too.
Okay, so let me see if I can get a decent landing with this.
I'll keep my mouth shut.
No, it's alright. I don't mind the pressure.
Really?
That's okay. Go ahead.
Right, I know you're going to do a great landing.
I'm ready for it now,
nice
so it's
landing.
different.
Oh, beautiful.
It's different.
Nice
I'm ready for it
landing.
now, so.
Oh, nice landing. Okay.
That was. Thank you.
No, I have to get you where you're not expecting. Right? I'll keep my mouth shut then, but when you're not expecting.
No. Bang. Now I haven't flown props in so long. This has been
I
fun.
don't even know what these things are, that funny spinning thing in the front.
But it makes that weird noise too.
You
It's.
don't fly props that often. That's right.
I don't fly. I haven't flown props in a long time.
Barely. So, I mean, you know, this may be our thing for the next couple of weeks.
It is. Gonna have to.
Are you gonna come back later?
Probably later today if I get time.
Time remaining.
Because I got to get my Mustang fixed. I got to replace the gear.
Last time I flew there, I brought my MXS out, so I'll bring that again. That thing's fun.
Is that a car?
Yeah, it was a car. I thought it was construction, but it was just a car.
Did it start?
Yeah.
It was like barely going over. I thought it was the a jackhammer or something. It is one.
I was trying to land on that upper runway. There's a runway up there.
The simulated hard deck.
You're getting bounced up. Whatever that is. Are you going to do the whole 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Don't get bored.
No. This thing's fun. Especially if I start doing touch and goes. You don't have to wait for me either. If you want to fly, go ahead.
Until you finally land.
Oh, you ready with the Mustang? Let's do formation Spitfire in the
Now wait until
Mustang.
he lands so I can whoa.
Boing.
Respect those people that make every landing dramatic. You know what I'm talking about.
Whoa. Whoa.
My battery's dead!
Oh God!
Oh God, oh God! There's something wrong with that gear! Where's the landing?
Easy! I gotta land there. Take it off landing. Take it off. Take. Who? Which Robert? What did he get?
A turbine F-18.
No, it's a Skymaster.
But the
Skymaster has an E-series, like electric lithium. They call it turbines, but the funkiest scheme you'll ever see is that
It's a General Dynamics.
F-16 on an F-18.
Oh wow!
It's funny because having on our
Time
series, this
remaining,
whole
2
break just,
minutes.
I was telling him, no, keep it, because you can actually see the darn thing, even though it looks completely ridiculous.
So what? It's red, white, and blue?
He wants to do Blue Angels. Yeah, it's no, it's just red and white.
Oh, red, white.
It's just like my General Dynamics F-16.
It's
That
the same
scheme.
thing.
Oh, that scheme.
Wings are
Okay.
red.
Oh no, they had one. There was a test plane that way. Edwards
Yeah,
had
but
one, I
still,
think.
it's not scale.
It doesn't
just
look
has
right.
to
You just look at
wasn't
it.
in combat.
Well, no, that's the one that Sharam has. That's the right one.
No,
The
but
te- Naval Test School, Test Flight School, whatever.
I saw it on RC groups. I'm like, oh, this is. I think he got like, it was a good deal, like $600 just for the airframe and servos and everything.
Had it already been flown?
Yeah, no, it's already been. I think. I don't know.
No, I mean, it's already been flown, and I think the guy, so this is the silly part. They made that electric, and then this guy buys it and converts it to turbine.
So
I'm like, well, you should just buy the
just buy the one that's made for a
I don't
turbine.
think they make one that small though.
It's lighter, so you know, the plane is lighter because they didn't make it as beefy.
Right.
Exactly. So it's not beef. But
So-
it's already converted.
So what size turbine does it use?
I think he's probably gonna do, I don't know, is it 85?
And the listing, he was asking 700 with servos and everything all converted. That's a really good deal, actually.
Okay.
If you think about it. He already has servos converted. He knows the tangents. I think it's Tam Jets.
Oh, Tam Jets?
Yes,
Okay. I know which one that is.
I think it's probably the same thing that goes in like the Avantiers or whatever.
Okay.
Seven.
Does Tam even do this anymore, or is he still into
I don't
fishing?
know. I'm not sure.
Is he?
He's in San Jose, right?
No, Peter bought all this stuff.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
So he's totally out of it?
Oh, he's gone.
Okay.
Sam's been gone for a while.
6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Time out.
2,
Time to go!
1. Time expired.
I could probably even go a little longer since I've been barely using any throttle, but I think that's enough.
Oh, dude, what was that? Dude.
I don't know. Going around, going around. Thanks to Keon.
Here we go, here we go. Oh,
It's getting bumpy over here, though. I don't like the bumps.
Come on, man. Oh, whoa.
I flew over the bumps.
All right, nice landing, Ray. Nice.
Flew over the bumps.
Nice landing, Ray. Nice landing, Ray.
It's so hard to stick it with this plane. Especially with Keon yapping in your ear.
Now you know what I go through. Oh, nothing. I didn't think.
Oh, I did that. This is what I do to make it sound like a radio.
Oh, I know, it sounds really weird. It's really low.
1 minute.
Is it, are you using the
Just spinning really low.
chips, right? No.
It's just low.
This thing, the idle on this thing, as soon as it, I'll show you, Ray.
See? Oh, there we go.
The throttle on this thing makes the